Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our March mini. So it's mini kit time again, and this one is a beautiful cute little mini and it's called Indigenous Journey, and I'm going to start by showing you the stamp set. This is an acrylic stamp set, and I'll try to get that out of the light. It has got gorgeous little circles on there with super cute little designs. So as I said, that is an acrylic stamp. There's this one here, a stencil. It's called our Indigenous Journey stencil. It's beautiful. And this one here is called our Indigenous Stripes stencil. Also in the kit you are getting cute little cut apart with all these little words on it. Super cute. And a little cut apart as well. Let me show you some of the ideas that you can do with this kit. The girls have done a whole bunch of mixed media stuff because it's acrylic stamp. It really does really lend itself to beautiful mixed media work. Although it stamps beautifully, it's a really good quality stamp. The girls have used all sorts of things. They've used heat embossing, they've used oxides, they've used Prismacolor pencils to create all sorts of amazing cards. Stunning cards. This one by Sam is just, that's just so nice. I would love to receive that if I was a guy or a girl, you know, top bloke, perfect. This one here is by Tammy Klinger. She was a guest designer for us, and she's made this gorgeous layout with the stamp set and the stencils. It's just stunning. Really beautiful. Then we've got Tanya Hamed, who joined us as a guest as well, and look at the cute little tags she made. Aren't they amazing? Such talented girls on our DT. Kasha has made this cute little layout using the stamps and stencils. I don't know if anyone sent their kids off to Jamboree, but that is her daughter. She went over to Jamboree and has made this cute little layout with it. We actually have another layout that Tanya Ridgewell done, which is not the magazine, but we will share on our socials. Tanya did a cute little mixed media one, and again Tammy's used the stencil through here, our Endless Potential stamp, and a lot of the other little mixed media stamps as well. So loads of ideas. This kit retails for $21, like bargain of the year. Cute little kit. It is going to be up on our website for pre-order from the 15th of March, shipping from the 20th, but your retailers should have it in their hot little hands any day now for pre-order as well. They won't be selling it to you till the 20th, but they will have it for you to come and have a look at. If they don't have it, tell them to get it. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time, this is our March mini.